Hello students, now I am going to tell some rules related to noun and verb. How verbs are used with noun and how noun is used with a verb. And or in say other word you can say use of noun rules. Rules to use noun. You can say here in same way that rules to use noun. See, directly you can say in same way, and this both has the same sense, both title. And now I am going to tell first rule. This is the very easy to understand, to get, to receive. When any noun which comes under the category of material and abstract noun, then it always comes in singular form, and verb is also used in singular form. For example, here you can say all material and abstract noun, यानी सभी material and abstract nouns are used in singular form. That is the one form, singular, and singular verb is used with these nouns. For example, if we say rice, rice is the material noun. Rice means the chawal. So जो rice है, rice is the material noun, and if we say rices are available, s, if s is added, it will be 100% wrong. And more than this, r has been also used here, so r is also wrong here. 101% wrong. You can say rice is available. Rice is available because you can't count rice. Rice is measured in measurement, is in weight. You can't count 1, 2, 3, 4 rice grain by grain. No, it will not be possible. So correct. What is correct? Rice is. S will be removed from here. R will also put here. Is. Rice is available. But if you want to show huge quantity of rice, then you shall have to say lot of rice or huge amount of rice. But here s will not be added again. Lot of rice or huge amount of rice is available. Is will be same in form if you either you are expressing in singular form or showing the huge amount. Okay. In same way, related to abstract noun rule, you can't say loves are blind. Actually, do you know what love? Love means affection. When you realize some attraction towards someone else, some sympathy and emotional realization towards that, then you become in situation of love. So here you can say loves are blind. This is the wrong. If s is added in love, then it shows the near and dear, particularly offspring, संतान बाल बच्चों को loves you can say. But real exact, if you use it in the sense of love, that is the affection, intimacy, then you shall have to say love is blind. R is also wrong and S can't be added with the word love. Love or hate, all these are the abstract noun and other abstract ideas are there. So you can say love or hate is blind. In after that, advice. Many people say advice. Advice is plural form. No, advice is abstract noun. So advice are given to him. Advices. So here S has been added. It is wrong. R is also wrong, given to him. What is there? Advice is given to him. Is correct form and S is removed here. This is the right sentence. Advice is given to him. But if you want to show many advice, then for this purpose you shall have to add lot of advice or many advice have given to him. Then verb will be plural here, and many advice, the word many will be added before the advice, or lot of will be added before the advice, and then it will show the huge quantity or plural form of the advice, but you can't say the advices are given to him. After this, I think it is clear, and now I am going to explain something more abstract nouns and ideas and etc. and etc. and etc. For example, information. This is also abstract noun. Information. After this, news, furniture, all these etc. There are a lot of things like this. So you can't say informations. If you will say informations are here, it will be wrong 100%. S will also wrong and R is also wrong. You will say many information, or you can say pieces of information is here. इस कई तरह के इंफॉर्मेशन सूचनाएं हैं. यू कैन से दिस बट यू कांट से इंफॉर्मेशन. इन सेम वे न्यूज हियर इफ न्यूज you can't say news are here. No, it is wrong. News is, it seems plural but it becomes singular, and you shall have to say articles, pieces of news, or many news, or lot of news is here. मीन्स बहुत सारी सूचनाएं, जानकारियां, समाचार यहाँ पे हैं. इन दिस वे यू कैन से. एंड आफ्टर दिस देयर इज अ फर्नीचर. यू कांट से furnitures are furnitures things are here. No, it will wrong. You shall have to say many articles of furniture is here. Yeah, several articles of furniture is here. In this way you can express, but whenever you will use this, is added with this. In same way you can't say sceneries are scenery, SCENERY, scenery. So you can't say SCENERIES, sceneries are. No, it will be wrong. R it will be wrong and S also. So many, SCENERY, scenery is, you can say, or lot of scenery, or huge, different scenery is. Everywhere is will be applied, and in this way this word is used. After this comes such noun which shows person or position. If two nouns are there, Shyam, singular noun is here, then is will be there. Is coming. But if you say Shyam and Ghanshyam, and is added, these two, there are two nouns. This is the one noun Shyam, another noun is Ghanshyam, and these both are added with the word and, conjunction add. Then R is will be used here. R will use here. R coming. R is. You will find easily. Okay. Here what? And if it is said that manager is coming, here manager is singular noun. Okay, but manager and principal, here there is, it is not sure that whether manager and principal is same person or manager and principal is different person. But you know very well that if any post is described, then the is used just before. So the this sentence will be wrong. This phrase, manager and principal is coming full stop. So here is wrong because here the है. First of all, this here the is not. ये जो the है यहाँ पे नहीं है. Due to this reason it is wrong. This sentence is wrong. And if we put the, then because just before post, so the manager and principal is coming. Now sentence is right. But what is it indicating? Because just before the noun the is used here and after and there is no the. So this the, if there are two nouns added with and the has been used just before anyone, manager and the principal may be, or the manager and the principal, the may be here and here, any one place, the may only here also with by removing here. Then if the is just before any one of the noun which is as that with the and, then it shows that the manager and principal is the one person, single person. Both post is being held by the same one person, means the manager and the principal is a one man. So is will use here. यहाँ पे is प्रयोग हुआ है, शो कर रहा है कि मैनेजर और प्रिंसिपल एक है क्योंकि दोनों नाम एंड से जुड़े हैं और एक ही नाम के पहले का आया है. बट इफ वी राइट द मैनेजर एंड the manager and principal, sorry, the manager and the principal, and if we say is coming, then it will be wrong. Why? Because now the article has been used before both places, both posts. So it is showing that the manager and the principal is the has been used before both noun and both noun has been added with the conjunction add. So it is showing that the manager and principal, these two are the two different person holding the two different posts. So here sentence, correct sentence will be the manager and the principal are coming. So here are is the correct form and is wrong because the and the has been used here, and here only the is used. So is correct. This, I think this is clear. And same way cow or black and white cow is grazing. Black and white cow are grazing. Here you are seeing a black. In another example, and the second example, here a has been definite article a. In same way you can, sorry, let me do this. A black and white, a indefinite article has been used just before the adjective and, sorry, black and white has been used here without the means two adjectives white and black have been added with the conjunction add, and the definite indefinite article a has been used just before only one noun adjective. So it is showing that a black and white means the same cow, one cow which is of the two color, चितकबरी color in Hindi, white and black means same cow है, एक ही गाय है जो कि दो कलर की है, is grading, then it will be right. But if two adjectives are added with the conjunction add and a or an or the, anyone can be here in all of these three articles, is put or has been put just before both of the adjectives, then it will show that a black cow is different and a white cow is different. मीन्स यहाँ दो गाय हैं, एक काली है और एक उजली, दैट इज द सफेद है. एंड आर विल यूज हियर, यहाँ पे आर वर्ब यूज होगा और यह शो करेगा कि कैसे ये हो गया. इन सेम वे इस ए की जगह पे द यूज करते हैं हम, तो भी सेम कंडीशन विल अप्लाई हियर. द हियर द ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट मीन्स एक ही काली और सफेद गाय इज ग्रेजिंग, बट द ब्लैक एंड द व्हाइट मीन्स एक काली गाय है और दूसरी जो है वह सफेद गाय है. दोनों अलग अलग गाय हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट गाय हैं. बोथ आर ग्रेजिंग, बोथ आर चल रही हैं. व्हाट एवर बी देयर. इन सेम वे if we say my black, my here my possessive adjective has been used here. My black and white cow, मेरी काली और उजली गाय यानी मेरी चितकबरी गाय, एक ही गाय है जो काली उजली, has both color, two color, is grazing. एक ही गाय है जो उजली काली दैट इज चितकबरी है और चल रही है मेरी गाय है. यहाँ पे हम कह रहे हैं माई ब्लैक एंड माई व्हाइट, यानी मेरी काली और मेरी सफेद गाय. Means here you are saying that your black cow is another, your white cow is another. Means you have two cows, one is of black color, second one is of white color, and both are grazing here. You can say here both. Here can you use in some sentences both. Now here it will not sit perfectly, sentence will be wrong. But here in this sense here, but indirect way both is eloping in sentence somewhere without use of both these sentences, right? So you can say here are by applying are, both cows are grazing. In same way any noun if added with and it has any possessive adjective, determiner or any other thing, same rules will be followed. And second one, deer, sheep, etc. Like these things are used in same form, that is singular form and plural form, both form. You can say deer is grazing, चल रहे हैं. sheep is grazing, भेड़ चल रही है. and in same way you can say deer are grazing or sheep are grazing. यहाँ इज ग्रेजिंग मीन्स एक हिरन चल रहा है, एक भेड़ चल रही है. बट हियर यू आर सेइंग आर, यानी कई हिरन है जो चल रहे हैं, भेड़ें कई हैं जो चल रही हैं. एंड फॉर दिस पर्पज, फॉर द टू सो प्लूरल, यू कैन ऐड हियर 2 deer, 3 deer, 2 sheep, 4 sheep or many deer you can add here. Here many sheep you can add here to show plural, or you can add here flock, flock, flock of sheep, flock, or sorry not flock, herd, herd of deer. Then if you go in herd of deer or flock of deer, then herd or flock, these show the collective noun, and when collective noun becomes before you, then single here is will be used, not are. So if you add here by removing many deer, 100 deer, 2, 3, 4, 5 deer, sheep, 100 deer, or lot of deer, or lot of sheep, then R will be correct here. But if as soon as you add herd of, flock of, then this is the symbol of collective noun, and in collective noun, noun becomes singular and singular verb is added. So when you use herd of deer or flock of sheep, then you shall have to use here at the place of R is, because flock of deer means भेड़ों का, हिरन का झुंड, flock of sheep means भेड़ों का झुंड, और जो कि एक ग्रुप, एक समूह, एज अ होल, वन ग्रुप, यूनाइट, वन सिंगुलर शो करता है, इसलिए यह यूज होगा. सो आई थिंक दिस इज आल्सो क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. वन थिंग मोर रिलेटिव टू कलेक्टिव नाउन, इफ हियर फ्लॉक ऑफ sheep, sheep, or flock of herd, deer, HEARD, herd of sheep, herd of flock of sheep, herd of deer. It has two aspects. If flock of sheep is in one, going in one direction, unitely, then is grazing. But flock of sheep divided, बिकॉज इट इज पॉसिबल कि जो भेड़ों का झुंड है या तो अकेले चलेगा, एक झुंड पूरा होगा, तो वहाँ पे इज ग्रेजिंग सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज होगी, क्योंकि वो झुंड एक है, होल वन है। लेकिन वही झुंड हो सकता है कि जैसे 100 भेड़ों का झुंड हो, 50 का झुंड हो, तो दैट ग्रुप में बी डिवाइडेड टू पार्ट ऑफ 25-25, 30-25, कुछ भी हो सकता है, किसी में ज़्यादा किसी में कम हो सकता है। तो जब ग्रुप बट गया तो यहाँ पे जो है ये जो कलेक्टिव नाउन है यह जो है डिवाइडेड होगा, और तब यह हो जाएगा नाउन ऑफ कलेक्टिव, कलेक्टिव नाउन ऑफ मल्टीट्यूड, यानी कलेक्टिव नाउन ऑफ मल्टीट्यूड का मतलब यह डिवाइड हो गया, देन आर ग्रेजिंग हो जाएगा आपका यहाँ पे। अब यहाँ पे आप कह रहे हैं कि भेड़ों का झुंड है जो 2, 3, 4 हो सकता है, कितना भी हो सकता है, और वो झुंड में है, भेड़े अलग अलग झुंड हैं और वो चल रही हैं, यानी वो झुंड अलग अलग चल रहे हैं। सो यहाँ कलेक्टिव नाउन ऑफ मल्टीट्यूड जब होता है, व्हेन यू यूज द कलेक्टिव नाउन ऑफ मल्टीट्यूड देन यू शैल हैव टू यूज द वर्ब प्लूरल, एंड दैट कलेक्टिव नाउन बिकम्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्लूरल, एंड इफ इट इज वर्किंग यूनाइटली as a whole one, then singular verb is used, and this collective noun shows the singular collective noun. In same way, herd of deer, same thing is here. Herd of deer is used in same form, in same way as the flock of sheep. This has the two form, like this. In this way, I think this is the clear. Now video is going long, so I am stopping here. Thank you.